Among the major objections an RVer is likely to have when it comes to spending their vacation as part of a caravan on a guided tour is the lack of flexibility and freedom they would be afforded. For many, the idea of being part of a caravan will provoke images of bumper-to-bumper travel, being tied to a rigid schedule, and minimal, if any, time to venture away from the group to relax or to explore the country independently. Yet, while this may be a fair assumption to make, the reality of what is offered suggests a different and far more independent experience for travelers.
A good RV tour company is going to truly make you feel welcome and that it's your vacation and you don't have to get up and leave at 7 o'clock in the morning. Perhaps the tour leader will leave at 7 o'clock in the morning, and most companies say you can leave in 2 or 3 hours, and then the assistant, the tail gunner, will be the last person traveling that day and will be behind you to make sure that your travel day is a good experience for you.
People might roll in a half hour after us, anywhere to 2 or 3 or 4 hours after us, depending on what kind of stops they want to take and what kind of sightseeing. So people can leave whenever they want, and that's something that they should do when they check out.
It's your vacation. I mean, we tell them it's their vacation.
That's right. So make sure that you know, you don't have to leave within a certain time or in a certain order. You know, there's different styles of travel. So make sure that you're getting a company that's going to give you some more freedom so that you can travel the way you want to.